Hello YouTube, this is my 200 piece Dewalt socket set. I got this socket set from Home Depot for $100. Usually they go for $200, but since I saw them on sale, I decided to splurge and buy them. Now I looked it up on different YouTube channels to see if they actually went to depth and what kind of sockets and tools it's on inside, but I didn't find any that really went into the depth that I like. So hopefully I can give you a better depth review of this set. Now the reason I bought them was because my dad keeps telling me that I'm taking all his mechanic tools and sockets and stuff like that, which I am, I'm not gonna lie, but they're all Craftsman and stuff like that, so they easily break, they slip, and as an electrician I need something dependable, and for what I've seen, this is some good high quality socket set and ratchet. So let's get into the review. Okay, first we're going to start off with the Allen wrenches. These look like some real sturdy tools. What I like about this is that this plastic is not all flimsy. It looks real sturdy. I've seen this type of design on other Allen wrenches, but for what I've seen, this plastic looks like it's going to last you for a while. Now I have a whole bunch of Allen wrenches, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave these in this box and leave the other ones as my wear and tear. Next I have my combination wrenches. You have your 11/32, your 3/8, the 7/16, the 1/2 inch, and over here you have the 14, the 13, the 11, and the 10. I'm not really a mechanic. The reason I got this is for the sockets, and really I need ratchet wrenches. I like the ratchet wrenches or the speed wrenches, but they work. Sometimes you need regular wrenches, so it's good to have. Over here I have my nut drivers. I already have a whole bunch of nut drivers, but you know, like I say, you can never have enough. It's always good to have extra. And then I have my deep well 1/4 inch ratchet sockets, and this is why I basically got it. It was for the 1/4 inch ratchet, and this is what the sockets that I wanted. As you can see, I'm already deep inside the box, checking what's inside and checking what's not inside. What I'm replacing are these sockets and this 1/4 drive ratchet. I'm replacing it with this one right here. Now, the sockets over here, they have every socket that I need, but on this side, as you can see, they don't have a 5.5 or 6.5, which I have over here. 6.5 and 5.5. Now the ratchet, it's been a good ratchet, but like I said, I don't really trust it. Sometimes it might break, so not dependable. The 1/2 one, I might still keep it around because it's still useful every once in a while. But from what I've seen that they're missing the T55 and the HW10. Now the T55, I have 2 of these, so it doesn't really matter. The HW10, I got 1. One other thing that they're missing is the T9, which I have it on this socket. But with this kit, you're gonna get the 13/16 socket, the 3/4 socket, and the 5/8 socket to remove your spark plug. I already have a 5/8 socket with an extension, but it's always good to have more. And speaking of extensions, I have a Stanley extension already with some non-name brand extension. which I'm going to switch them out with these right here. Okay, and then we have your deep well sockets. This is going to be the 1/2-inch drive. This is a pretty good socket set. And over here, what I have is my 1 1/16 socket. It's for the anode rods inside the water heater. I've been telling my dad to take them out, but you know, we'll see when we get to it.